First of all, sir, I would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to come here and present whatever we have developed. So let's start with the introduction. Myself is Shujat Hussain Bhatti. I'm a telecom professional working for ISP and telecom industry since last 14 years, and I finally decided to go for the entrepreneurship. So that's why I'm here today. Mr. Farhan Ahmed is my technical lead, doing all the front-end development for the mobile app. So let's start what we have today to present. Wataloo. What is Wataloo? Anybody knows about the loves Punjabi Wataloo? Wataloo is a pure barter platform with a unique barter services and combination of products, services and cash. For example, if I have a mobile and I want to upgrade it, what I can do is I can go and search what mobile I wanted and I can place an offer. This offer could be with the partial money, or this could be with only product versus product. So there are so many combinations in it. For example, if I'm a developer and I can offer my services to get a laptop, so I can tell them that I can build you in a website and I can get your laptop in replacement, or either I can get the partial cash as well. So Wataloo is purely a barter platform. So where we are standing today, we have already developed this app. This app functionality is already tested. It's available on the Play Store right now for the beta testing, and hopefully by the end of December we are going for the production level as well. The market. If we talk about market, what market we are targeting? 2 billion smartphone users right now in the world, and by 2020 is going to be 6 billion. If we target only 1% of them, it will be like 20 million smartphone users of it. And every e-commerce user, every person who is using to sell a product or buy a product, you know what? Every problem is an opportunity for a business. It builds a business. So there are three major problems. One, the buying power of a consumer, the economy scale, the inflation rates. It all affects our buying powers. So how a person can buy a new phone, iPhone 6 for example, which is around about 90,000 rupees, by having only a 15,000 rupees phone. So barter is an option for him. So he can reduce the cost by significant value. What are the financials we are looking for? We have already invested in the development, and the development is already done. Backend design and functionality testing and launch is already done. So what we are looking for the capex for the next 5 years, we are looking forward for $15,000 in terms of marketing and operation cost. Marketing will get $32,000 out of it, and the next value of, if you look at this, is 18,000 for the operation purpose. The next thing is how much cash flow we are going to generate in next 5 years. Is $550,000 in the course of 5 years, and with the NPV, the net present value is $210,000, and of course the payback period is only 8 months. So barter platform is ready. We all are invited to go and start using it. So let's Wataloo. We have prepared a video which can present our application. It's in the current model. Can you please play the video? Application without doing any sign up. But there is another option of doing login without sign up. So this is the sample login. We are going to do it. The main screen is an exchange, just like the Pakistan Stock Exchange. All the products are listed here. All the services are listed here. So you can just scroll down, find out what you require, and click on the Wataloo button, and you can start offering whatever you want to offer. On the other side, if you look at how you're going to see the pictures. If you click on the picture, it will display all 3 pictures the person has posted. So you can see all the pictures at one time to select your product or your offer. The next thing is my products. It also tells you how these things are working, what exactly they are looking for, how many offers they are getting. So it also tells the dimension of the product and the value of a product, how many offers are coming in. The My Product section, this section belongs to you. Whatever you have posted is available here. You can see how many products are exchanged, how many products are in open state, how many offers you are getting. Every offer which is accepted, you will get the details of the user so that you can contact him through the phone or through the email. You will also get the notification on your mobile phone. You will also get the email so that you get in contact exactly. This place is where you can see what you have offered to others. So if you have seen the status that your offer is rejected, you can move forward with another offer. So everything is available in this panel. You can check how many offers you have made and how many is successful. This is the place where you can post your products. You need to give them access to your gallery. Select your images, post your images, describe it, title it, and also set what you are looking for so that other person know if you're interested or not. Alright, thank you very much.
आई थिंक आइडिया इज़ ग्रेट. और अगर किसी ने कभी OLX पे कभी भी कुछ पोस्ट किया है तो दे शुड नो लाइक कि बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं कि बता लो
जी.
सो दैट ग्रेट. बट मेरा एक ही क्वेश्चन है कि यूज़र एक्विजिशन स्ट्रेटजी आपकी क्या है? बिकॉज हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू ब्रिंग इन पीपल लाइक हु विल एक्चुअली बी द यूजर्स? Because there would be like plenty of apps like this in the market already, like may not be in Pakistan but overall like international ones as well. How are you going to bring in users into it?
Okay, so first of all, what we have researched so far, I have not find any specific platform related to the barter. And the next uniqueness is, it's not only about product versus product, it's about service versus product as well. For example, if I am a skilled person and I am looking for something, I can offer my services as a product. You just need to make your banner, post it, and just take the offers from it. So there is no specific kind of barter platform system right now. For example, I lived for like a couple of years in Lagos, Nigeria. They have this kind of activity locally in between their friends and families and everyone. They used to exchange their products. They used to exchange their services. Sometimes I remember one time they asked me to drop me there and I can give you certain kind of things. So it's kind of a thing which is going to be global. The reason why, the economy, your currency is not a real value to your product. Your product has certain value, and this is how the Islamic system also tells you. This is land versus gold or gold versus land. So you have a product which has a certain value. Whenever you take it to the currency, it devalue your values. So
see, the idea is good,
right?
Definitely,
Yeah.
like but still to bring like people to use your software,
yeah,
like you need to have some kind of a marketing
yes,
strategy
exactly.
for the user acquisition.
Yes.
So the question is about that.
All right. The user acquisition, it's all about online marketing. The platforms, e-commerce platform is the best place to tell people that you have this option as well. Don't only go for the sell. So the strategy for us is right now, if we talk about the OLX, we talk about the other e-commerce platform where the buying and selling are going on. Feecenter.pk is one of them. So what you can tell them that you can not only sell it, you can also barter it. So we are targeting the local areas, local companies. It's not only for one kind of niche companies. For example, a mobile manufacturer bringing in a new model, it's a place for them. They can offer their new mobile handsets and ask them to return the old handsets. It's in a kind of a marketing strategy. So we are going to engage from the multiple channels. It's consumer based as well as the franchise partnership based. So marketing strategy is all
so how much money do you think you'll invest in marketing? Like
over the course of 5 years, for marketing purpose, I need $32,000 to make like 150,000 users.
$32,000.
$32,000.
Okay, so $32,000, like and what is the total money that you think like will be needed to run this particular business?
Right now the total capex and opex is in total is $55,000. We have already spent $500 for the development part, as well as for the hosting part, the design part, the function testers part. So the technology part is already done. So we are left with the operational models, that is like marketing, as well as the operation cost for the upgrade of data centers and hosting plans. So in total we require $50,000 over the course of 5 years.
So you're trying to raise $55,000.
$50,000.
$50,000.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much, like, you want it from some investor, right?
Initially, it's not at lump sum at a startup. First year we're going for like $13,000. Next year we're going for another $10,000. So this is how we are spending it. So we are reducing every year. We're reducing the marketing part and we are increasing the operation part because the user base is increasing and you need to upgrade your model.
Okay. And what's the equity on offer?
It's negotiable actually. We are not locking it down anywhere. It depends upon the investment how we are getting it. But if hypothetically, if I'm talking about, it's around about 8 to 10% equity.
For this money?
Yeah, it depends on the bill.
Fair enough. Thank you.
I keep seeing the logo Docket in it. What does it have to do?
Docket is another platform. This my partner is already working on it. So I joined him for my project as well. So Docket is solution for
Actually, I'm a co-founder in Docket, but I developed his app for.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
Farhan.
And Unas also involved?
Yes, Unas is the CEO. He's coming to meet you, right?
He's what?
Coming here to meet you.
Okay, so you are together in it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Docket and you guys are...
No, Docket is separate thing. I am purely working in Docket, but I developed the app for Wataloo.
Okay, so did you see some synchronization in it? Do you think any synchronization in between these two?
We'll think in the future, but currently we're not thought about it.
Could be a cross-platform marketing strategy.
That's what I'm thinking, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, we thought about cross-platforming the application by showing the ads. That's what we thought.
Okay.
Right.
I think it's an excellent idea. We all agree on it, but I don't agree with your that you just need $50,000 for next 5 years. Yeah. I think that's probably you're doing way underestimate. I don't know how you come up with that 5 years already because things changes every day. Yeah. And the prices changes and everything and dynamics change on the market.
Yes.
So my just suggestion would be instead of doing a 5-year plan, probably do just 1 year right now. Okay. And see exactly what you need money for 1 year. Yeah. And then you can see because 5 years you don't even know if Google will be there or not. I'm
yes.
Just saying that.
Right. Very right, sir. That's why we have the financial sheets are designed like a way. It's an year-wise and month-wise. Yeah. So I'm just telling about the cumulative figures.
Sure. So I'll be
yes,
very
exactly. Right. Yeah. I do understand your point.
I'll be very interested. We also have e-commerce companies, so
right.
we understand a little bit about that.
Sure,
in
sir.
that sense, so we'll be very interested to talk about it.
Sure.
Once we look in the more details, especially 1 year plan, not 5 years plan.
Sure, sir. Sure,
okay.
sir.
Thank you.
I'm highly obliged, sir. Thank you.
Sorry. Go ahead. I think one of the questions that they were asking in regards to how you're going to get people convinced, I think social media obviously is the way to go these days for everybody. I didn't see that much of you mentioning. So the idea is great. I think because it's a barter system, obviously there is an exchange. I think looking to launch it in Pakistan and especially with some location-based things would be easier because there are a lot of things that obviously you cannot send across the country if somebody buys it.
Exactly.
Secondly, even a lot of things people want to inspect before they buy it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, if it's a new product, yes, you can ship it from Karachi to Islamabad, but if it's a used product, so I think do you have anything like that inside?
Sir. Yes, sir. Right there. We are putting it in the filter there. Okay. Whatever your profile belongs to, if it belongs to Lahore and Pakistan, you can only see the Lahore and Pakistan posts. But you're also able to, if you want to look at whole Pakistan or whole world, you can just select all and you will see all the posts directly. The idea behind is we need to change the behavior of a customer. We need to make him understand that you have a product and it has a certain value. So don't degrade it by yourself. So one thing is this. The second part is whenever we are a platform to connect them. They will get the details, contact details with each other. They will need to talk with each other. They need to test their devices with each other, and then they have to make the deal done. So this platform is connecting them. So they have to do all these things before going for the
Are
foreign
you
exchange.
planning to generate any revenue based on, you know, commissions from each sale that people actually do, or
Right now, sir, we are not looking for the commissions out of it because it's quite filthy kind of a process to how you're going to ask them to give us money once you are exchanged, because it's an online stuff, so we are not locating them hardly. But for now, it's
Actually, we are not taking responsibility for the user to exchange a product, so user can exchange their products by themselves. So we cannot charge per exchange by, we cannot say कि उन्होंने क्या exchange किया. So,
Okay.
but we think
where's the actual revenue going to come from then?
ads,
Okay.
advertisement. We'll build a feature where user can put their ads like a feature ad, put their product to a feature ad. That's a subscription based model.
But I think everybody is basing their strategy on ads. I mean, how many ads a customer is really going to click and go and buy something and do? I mean, we need to have something different. I mean, look at eBay or other, Amazon even has system where they actually sell products from individuals, not only from their warehouses. I mean, and these are old systems, and that's how they're really making money. I mean, just counting on the fact that people are going to click on an ad and
True.
go to another website and order something else, and you get some revenue out of it.
exactly.
I
I
think
was
it's too
about
much.
to come to that point. In the future plan, like we are looking forward for kind of a logistics company as well. We can also ask them to park your products in our warehouses. Let them people come and see your products. We will do the logistics for them. So it's a kind of option which are going to be done in coming years. So we are also looking for the logistics part as well.
Okay.
But it's not there right now. It's an open platform right now. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Sorry.
Just one last comment.
Sure, sure.
आइडिया तो बहुत अच्छा है. मेरा ख्याल है जो इसमें इनिशियली OLX का प्रॉब्लम था कि ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ द यूज़र जो
Yeah.
दिखाना तस्वीरों में was different than what actually was selling. So I think वहाँ you guys need to concentrate a lot.
Right, sir.
Maybe ranking with the passage of time users की both end पर buyer seller, because they both can be buyer and seller.
Right.
So anything which later on can give, जिस तरह अलीबाबा पे आप देखें तो
जी,
in
rankings
fact वो
are-
rankings चल रही होती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो I think if you can include that,
Sure.
could be a good thing.
Thank you. Thank you very
Okay.
much, sir. Thank you, sir.